Today is July 24th. I'm Barbara.
I am Vicky.
And this is
Simon Says.
What a great week we had last week. Thank you to all the students who joined us here and created a vibrant energy in our SEC space. Also, thank you for joining our excellent workshops. Did you get a chance to meet the seminar assistants? Hi! If you didn't meet them last week, be sure to stop by the SEC and chat with our lovely assistant. Hey Vicky, how was the adventure last Friday?
The adventure from last Friday was so much fun. The Taste of Edmonton is always a great festival to check out if you like food.
That's right. And don't worry if you missed it. The festival is still going on this week. It runs until July 30th. So be sure to check out the food available from different restaurants around the city. Hey Vicky, what's the theme this week?
This week our theme is cultural heritage. That means we are going to talk about the historical culture of Canada.
That's right, Vicky. The first cultures that existed on this land we call Canada were the Indigenous cultures. Did you know a variety of Indigenous peoples have lived across the land for more than 10,000 years? They had unique languages, different lifestyles, and complex trade routes. As we learn about cultural heritage this week, the English Language School acknowledges that we are located on Treaty 6 territory and respects the histories, language, and cultures of the First Nations, Métis, Inuit, and all the First Peoples of Canada. Hey Vicky, what can students do this week at the Student Engagement Center?
Yes, so be sure to join our study tables on Monday for extra help. On Tuesday, we will have a listening workshop in which we will learn more about Indigenous culture and places around Edmonton. Then, on Wednesday, at the break time, I will host Kahoot Cup.
Wednesday afternoon, we will practice brainstorming, and we're going to read about an interesting historical building right here on campus.
And on Thursday, we will have Conversation Club. Come share more interesting aspects of your culture with us.
Speaking of cultural heritage, we asked our summer assistants to share a little bit about their cultural heritage. Let's have a listen.
So hockey is a big part of Canadian culture. Here at the U of A, the big hockey team is the Golden Bears, go Bears. And I played a lot of hockey growing up. And yeah, everyone here pretty much loves hockey. And yeah, it's great.
A big part of Canadian culture is getting to spend time outside. In the summer, we like to go hiking and swimming, and in the winter, we like to go skating and go skiing. I hope you guys get to spend some time outside as well.
Thanks, guys. And what are we doing on Friday, Barbara?
Great question. I want to invite the students to join me for a tour of the Rutherford House. This is an excellent museum right here on campus.
Remember, there are only 10 spots for this activity, so if you are interested, remember to sign up. Hurry!
Hey Vicky, there's something else happening this week.
Yes, remember there are 2 festivals are happening this week. The Taste of Edmonton and K-Days. If you are looking for adventures around Edmonton, check out the festivals. You can also check out the website for more information.
And this was
Simon Says.